Man suing Todd and Julie Chrisley blasts efforts to seal the case. Patrick Rickwalder, the man who is suing Todd and Julie Chrisley, is slamming the couple's efforts to have the case sealed. Todd and Julie asked the Tennessee courts to seal the ongoing legal battle over their son's 2022 car accident, citing that it would cause serious embarrassment for the family. Rickwalder is accusing Todd and Julie of trying to profit from a terrible situation. Continue reading to learn the details of the lawsuit and how it is unfolding. Patrick Rickwalder sues Chrisley family over Grayson's accident. Radar Online reported that the disgraced reality television stars requested that the court block the public from seeing any of the filings made by Patrick Rickwalder. Rickwalder initially sued Grayson, Savannah, Todd, and Julie Chrisley over a car crash that occurred on Interstate 65 in Tennessee. The incident happened on November 12, 2022. The lawsuit says that Patrick Rickwalder was driving a 2020 Dodge Ram when Chrisley's son crashed into the back of his truck. At the time, Grayson was driving a Ford 5150 pickup truck, which was apparently owned by Julie and Todd. In his suit, Rickwalder accused Grayson Chrisley of being distracted while driving. He said that he was not paying attention to the roadway in the moments immediately preceding the rear impact. On top of that, the lawsuit states that Todd and Julie Chrisley's son failed to act appropriately under the circumstances, which included at a minimum maintaining a safe operating distance from other motor vehicles, maintaining a safe operating speed, and avoiding being distracted by electronic devices within his motor vehicle. According to reports, Grayson was rushed to the hospital following the accident. Of course, Patrick Rickwalder didn't agree with Todd and Julie Chrisley's request. He stated that the family didn't come up with a good enough reason to justify sealing the case. The irony of these arguments is that the defendants have exploited the facts of this case to remain relevant by making statements to media outlets. They've posted about the facts of the case on various social media platforms and publicly discussed the facts of the case on podcasts, Rickwalder's lawyer stated. He continued to hammer down on the fact that each of the Chrisleys spoke about the incident on their various podcasts. It is expected that this issue will continue to play out in court over the next few months. Todd and Julie Chrisley attempt to dismiss the case. Since the initial lawsuit was filed, Todd and Julie requested that the court dismiss all of the claims being made. Rickwalder and the Chrisley family fought over subpoenas for their phone records. He was demanding call and text logs for the day before the crash up to 18 days following the accident. Todd and Julie Chrisley argued that Patrick Rickwalder was making a clear effort to harass them. However, they eventually came to an agreement over the phone records. Rickwalder was permitted to seek records from November 12 to November 15. He was also permitted to receive Grayson's phone records directly. Todd and Julie's records would be filtered through their attorney. Chrisley family pushes to get the case sealed. Now, the Chrisley family is asking that the entire case be sealed. Their lawyer said, defendants are national television personalities who are requesting that this court seal the court record in this matter to protect their privacy, especially in light of and appeals of their recent criminal convictions. It was also argued that the matter was a private concern and the public would have no legitimate interest in the case. Their attorney continued, saying that disclosure would result in serious embarrassment or other specific harm.